Hi guys, welcome back. We are old friend DJ Weber here once again with a new video, which I am pretty sure will not only be useful for all the DJs but also to the all MacBook Pro users. This is a very common issue amongst the MacBook Pro users, that the charger stops working suddenly after a certain duration of time. It breaks in between. Same happened with me. So I decided to buy the new one and I went to Apple Store. But I was really shocked to see the price of the charger. So for a temporary purpose, I decided to buy a third-party charger. I went to service center and asked the representative that is it advisable to use a third-party charger. Perhaps the representative replied, "We don't recommend using third-party charger as it's not safe." So I went back home and I did some extensive research and I bought this charger from Amazon. As you can see, I bought this charger on 3rd September 2018 and today's date is 25th June 2020. It's been almost 2 years now and this charger has been working fantastic without any problem since then. My MacBook Pro charged 100% in the same time that the original charger used to. They also provide 1-year warranty, so you don't need to worry. On my suggestion, 2 of my friends have already bought T-type connector charger for their MacBook Pros of the same company. I have added the link in the description if you wish to check out this charger. Just before buying this charger, visit Apple website and check out the voltage of your original charger and buy the charger with same voltage. So at the end of this video, my suggestion to everyone, sometimes in life we all need to take calculated risk and I am pretty sure it works wonders. In my case, it helped me in saving some money. I hope this video turns out to be useful to all of you in some way. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit like. If you have any queries related to this, you can follow me on my Instagram and DM there. Thanks for watching.